If you're drinking some red wine from France, labeled with Côte du Rhône, then it would probably comes from here. It's one of the regions where they're producing Côte du Rhône label. They're looking at me like, are they just curious or angry? They never saw a guy in black here. Oh. So you see, in the region of Clermont-Ferrand, there's a lot of old volcanos. Obviously all inactive. And the highest one, and this one, in front of me, with this sort of antenna on top of it. And if you're drinking, for example, some Volvic water, then it also comes from this region. And that, my friends, is France. A lot of bass everywhere. You see? In France there are plenty of space in every direction. The biggest country in the whole Europe. So, here I am. Wow. Landscape is great. Mother Nature did a great job.